प्रार्थना केवलं कंठस्थीकरणार्थम्। अभीप्सितार्थसिद्ध्यर्थं पूजितो यः सुरासुरैः सर्वविघ्नहरस्तस्मै गणाधिपतये नमः।
Translation. Salutation to that Lord Ganesha, who is the Lord of all Ganas, the destroyer of all obstacles, who is worshipped by the gods and demons for the success and achievement of the desired purpose.
या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा।
Translation. May that goddess Saraswati protect me, who is fair like a kunda, that is jasmine flower, moon, snow, and pearl garland, who is draped in the white garments, whose hand is adorned with the excellent staff of the Veena, who is seated on the white lotus, who is always prayed to, that is worshipped by all the gods, starting with Lord Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, and who completely removes ignorance.
अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः।
Translation. Salutations to that precipitator, that is Guru, by whom the eyes of the one blinded by the darkness of ignorance were opened with the stick of collyrium in the form of knowledge.
काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितः सज्जनाः सन्तु निर्भयाः।
Translation. May it rain at the proper time. May the earth be bountiful, that is endowed with the crops or grains, and may this country be free from famine, and may the virtuous, that is good people, be fearless.
सर्वेऽत्र सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्।
Translation. May everyone here be happy, may all be healthy, free from diseases, may all see good things, may no one attain grief or sadness.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।